Hello and welcome. It's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. Focus on the good. That's the motto that I always keep reminding myself of to keep me on track. So here we go. Today is probably going to be a quick one. I am using some Amsterdam paints in there as well. And it's on this lovely oval canvas. I'm actually doing this for a gift, so really hoping that it turns out beautifully. And I'm going to let you just watch the magic appear, of course, and hope that you like it. So thank you so much, you guys, for joining me on this absolutely wonderful journey as my year comes to an end. So grateful for you all, enjoying myself immensely in my art studio, and hoping you all stay with me into the year 2021. That was just turquoise that I laid down there, and I'm going to lay a viridian green, and there'll be some other yummy colours in there. I'll just let you relax and watch on. We've also got the lovely bright yellow in there, and we have a gold, bronze. Well, it was actually bronze mixed with metallic bronze mixed with some metallic copper that I had left over. So using up a few leftover paints, and now I have this gorgeous, I think that was crimson red, but I definitely added some of the colour dragonfly glaze in that to give it some glimmer. Glisten, glimmer, is that a word? Yep, it's a word. Just watch on. Just gently tilting it all over the canvas, covering my canvas, covering the edges. That paint is actually really shimmery in real life. It's not showing it obviously on the camera, but is absolutely beautiful, even if I do say so myself. It's gorgeous. So yeah, just doing some embellishing now and having some fun, bringing some life to the canvas. And using my Amsterdam paint that's mixed just with Floetrol only for my swipes, and it just creates the most gorgeous lacing, absolutely gorgeous. some very exciting swipe magic happening in this canvas. It was absolutely lovely while I was doing it. I really enjoyed it. The colours are just stunning in this. They go so well together, I believe. So yeah, let me know what you think, if you like this particular one, if you have a go at it. Yeah, it's a stunner. I like it, and that's the only person you have to please is yourself. It really is. Your art room, your rules, your way. Silly Jilly, trying to do one of those heart shapes with my hand. Oh, I'm hopeless. My kids do them, but not for me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me. Look at this gorgeous piece. I was so pleased with it. Very, very happy, Jen. I will definitely be resining in this one to bring up that shimmer. Just look at the shimmer in there. So until tomorrow, guys, bye for now. You take care of yourselves, and yeah, bye for now.